Today is not about doing more work. It's not about insight. It's not about fixing or figuring anything out. Today is about letting your body catch up to what your heart and mind have already processed. Because healing doesn't only happen when we dig deep. It also happens when we rest long enough for things to settle. This is a meditation for that settling. Welcome, everyone. I'm Mary Beth Rim. I'm a mental health therapist. I'm a coach, a runner, and this is a space where we explore wellness through the integration of mind, body, and spirit, with deep respect for the nervous system and the pace it needs to feel safe. If these meditations support you, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where we practice slowing down, listening inward, and creating sustainable well-being, one moment at a time. Now let's settle in and arrive. Without effort, find a position that genuinely is comfortable for you, whether it's seated or lying down. Let your body choose ease over posture. Gently close your eyes, if that's safe, or just soften your gaze down. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth, as if you're sighing out the week. Again, inhale. No goal, no count. Exhale, long and unhurried. Allow the message to land. Nothing needs to be done right now. So often, after emotional work, the body doesn't need more understanding. It needs time. Time to reorganize. Time to soften. Time to feel safe again in stillness. Today, you're not processing. You're integrating. Let that be enough. Bring gentle awareness to your body. Not scanning for tension, not checking progress, just noticing sensations. Weight, warmth, contact, breath. Notice where your body is supported. The surface beneath you, the ground holding you without effort. Silently say, I am being held. Many of us were taught that rest must be earned, that we can only slow down once everything is finished. But today, let yourself consider something different. Rest is not a reward. Rest is a requirement for healing. Nothing falls apart when you pause. Nothing slips away. Your body knows how to keep you safe. Bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it. Just notice its rhythm. Each inhale gently lifts the body. Each exhale allows things to settle. If thoughts arise, plans, reflections, reminders, think them and gently return to the sensation of breathing. Silently repeat, I can rest without losing momentum. Imagine everything you've worked through recently. Fear you've released, truths you've named, trust you're rebuilding, settling into your body like sediment in calm water. Nothing swirling, nothing stirred up, just quiet integration. This is where real change takes root. Sunday is a threshold. Not quite the week behind you, not yet the week ahead. Let yourself exist here without leaning forward, without looking back. Silently affirm, right now is enough. I don't need to prepare for what's next. Take one slow, nourishing breath in and a long breath out. Notice how your body feels now, even if the shift is subtle. Integration is quiet work. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders if that feels good. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for resting with me today. If you'd like more meditations that honor the nervous system, emotional integration, and whole person wellness, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and continue this journey with me at a pace that truly supports you. Until next time, move gently into your week. Trust what's already shifting. And remember, rest is part of the work. I'm Mary Beth Rim.